Hi guys, Kim here. Welcome to Backyard Blooms. In today's video, we're going to talk about the product, this rose care that I talked about in my video. The video that I'm talking about, and I'll throw it up on the screen, is how I keep my roses healthy and vigor, and it was like tips for beginners. I received a message from one of my subscribers. His name was Chris Wooten, and he was from North Carolina. And he stated, and I'll throw the message that he put onto my video, which everybody can, that he said that the North Carolina state said that he could not put rose care on the roses or use this product, and this is the product that I'm talking about right here in Pacific, because the bees are dying at like a high level rate along with some of the butterflies also. So, you know, I hate to see comments like that, but then again, it challenged me to go ahead and Google and look up, like, does this Bioadvanced from Bayer kill bees? So I Googled it, and I'll throw what I found in Google up on the description as well, and I have all my notes here in front of me so I could remember everything that I want to say in this video. But anyways, it was kind of like a double-edged sword. So using products like this does kill the bad bugs, but it could kill some of the good bugs as well. And I did find some other alternatives to using this product, and if I did use this product, a safer way that I could use this product. Now this product is a granular instead of a spray. They do have both types, I believe. So anyways, I'll throw in the comments, I'll throw a picture up as well, closer up, like before, when to use it and how to use it in the description, and then along with some of these ingredients that I'm going to talk about as well that they feel like that might kill the bees. So the main ingredient in this product that they're concerned about is imidacloprid, imidacloprid is what I'm guessing how you say this ingredient. And in this, on this specific product, it says it's got 0.11% of the ingredients, which is very minimum. And the Bioadvanced, which is made from Bayer, does not have a pollinator warning on this product as well. So I'm assuming that if the ingredients are high enough, that they have to put a pollinator warning on their product. So Bioadvanced, made from Bayer, does not carry a warning for this product as well. So my initial Google response is that yes, that it does hurt bees, and that it talks about it, this ingredient. And as I go on and like learn more information, I get results from this also. So Bayer has research companies in Germany and in North Carolina. So I'm here in North Carolina myself, but I live in Charlotte, and the research company is closer to the Triad area, which is closer to Raleigh, North Carolina, which is about 3 hours from me. So it's kind of like this is kind of close to home for me, right, too. So Bayer does care about bees as well. So they don't want to harm bees. I do not want to harm bees by any means. Like, I'm planting all this stuff for bees to come and pollinate, and into my garden I have lots and lots of plants and trees in my garden. I have 30 different types of trees in my garden as well, and I cannot tell you how much pollinator stuff that I have in my garden, because I do love to see bees. Like, I like to see bees, I like to see butterflies, I like to see all the small little critters, but I do not like to see things that are going to hurt my plants as well. So, but I don't want to kill the bees either. So anyways, that was the ingredient that they're concerned about when it comes to killing bees from everything that I read in Google. However, Bayer has a research company in Germany, and they're very concerned about bees as well. And they're actually suing the European government because they do not believe that this ingredient is killing the bees. They believe that there is a mite called a Varroa Mite, and it is a parasite mite that feeds on the honeybees. So I do have a picture of this mite and a picture of it on the bees actually as well. But the mite is, this mite, the Varroa Mite, is the only mite that can reproduce in a honeybee colony, which I thought that was very interesting. So Bayer is actually suing the European Union because they think that it's not the insecticides that are killing the bees. They think it's this mite. And under microscope, like I said, they can see these mites on the dead bees in Germany. And then I researched to see if they did open up the research office in North Carolina, and they did in April of 2014. So if I did not do my research, I would not have known about this Varroa Mite at all on the honeybees. So I don't know, like, everybody just has to judge for themselves if they feel like that this product is hurting the honeybees or not, or it is this Varroa Mite that's actually killing the bees. But there is like alternative ways, and I'm going to share with you too, that you can use without not using this product if you like, if you're more conservative, on the conservative side, and that concerns you, then I'm going to share with you some alternatives. But whenever you do use this product, you do not want to spray on a flower that's already bloomed out, so you can spray this product before it blooms. So that's one way that you can protect your blooms also from the bees that might be on them. And also, this is not a spray, this is a granular. So whenever I apply this, you can put this in the soil and mix it into the soil and then wet it. And that's going to help get the product into the roots, and then the flower will absorb this product and help prevent everything that this product does. So some of the non-harming natural ways that you could use is use the store-bought insecticides soaps. You can use oil and vinegar. For black spot, you can use a spray. You can use 2 dissolved 325 milligram of aspirin in 1 quart of water and spray for black spot instead of using this product if you want to use an alternative. Another safe product is an insecticide called Savanto. It is bee safe. Now, I did not know anything about this product. This does not carry Savanto, but they use this in a lot of the blooming crops that are safe. So that's another alternative. Neem oil does not hurt bees, so neem oil is good for aphids. I use that a lot as well. I know the aphids attack my new growth on my roses, so that's what I use neem oil for. Miracle Grow does not hurt bees. So coffee grounds, I've already talked about this in one of my shorts. It's a great fertilizer, and it's a great way to prevent ants as well. And then I have here that vinegar and coffee grounds repels bees also, so you have to think about that too. So it's like fertilize with the natural product, but it repels bees as well. So double-edged sword, right? So I hope some of this information helps. You can make your own determination whether this product is good for you or bad for you. I feel like since they do not have a warning label on this product, that I am personally going as well. And who knows, maybe it is this Varroa Mite that are killing the bees, and I hope that some of the research that Bayer is doing, that they can find a way to kill these mites and save our bees. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, friends.